Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about the chapter 1, that is generation of computer. What is meant by generation of computer? Generation of computer means when was a computer developed? Okay, in which year it was being developed? The first, that is the first time the computer was developed it was in the year between 1942 and 1955. Okay, the first computer that was developed between 1942 and 1955. The first generation computer was being developed. It was being used 1942 and 1955. It was being used. What is it in this use? It was being used vacuum tube. It was being used. Vacuum tube was being used in this. Vacuum tubes. It consists of vacuum tube. It was being consist of glass, bulb, and wire. Okay. The first generation. It was being developed at the year 1942 and 1955. It consists of the vacuum tube. In this it was being used, and it consists of glass, bulb, and wire. Okay, the wire which was there being used, it carries the data in the form of electricity. In the form of what it was? The electricity which was being used in this. Okay, in this, when we were making the computer, that time it was a first, when we are making, that was very large. The computer was very large in that. Okay, then it was expensive too, and it required large amount of electricity. Okay, it required large amount of electricity. The first generation, in this it was required very large amount of it was very large, then it was expensive too. It was the large amount of electricity also it was being consuming. But then afterwards it came the second generation. The first generation this was, and the second generation it was developed between 1956 and 1964. The computer, the second generation, the computer was developed between 1956 and 1964. Okay, the difference between these two, the difference between this first generation and second generation, it was that in this it was being used, vacuum tube it was being used. But in second generation, the transistor was being used. What it was being used? Transistor was being used. In this it was being used vacuum tube, and in this transistor was being used. Transistor, instead of vacuum tube, they used transistor. Why they use? Because to make the size of the computer small. That is why they will be using transistor. And that is why when they were taking the help of transistor, that time the computer was working fast little bit. That's why it became faster little. Okay, and it was cheaper also little. Okay. In this first generation, what they have been using? Vacuum tube. The second generation, they use transistor. Okay, and then third generation, now we will be talking. Third generation, it was being developed in the year 1965 and 1975. Okay, the third generation of computer, it was being held in the year 1965 1975. In this, what has been used? IC. What is meant by IC? IC means it is integrated circuit. Okay, integrated circuit was being used. In this, what it was being used? IC was being used. First in the year, now first generation, what it was being used? Vacuum tube. Then afterwards, which they use, that is transistor. And third one, in third generation, they use IC. Okay, IC means integrated circuit. In this integrated circuit, it was small as transistor. They were making the computer, the size they were making smaller and smaller. That is why they use IC in this. Okay, because for the small, to make it small, that's why IC they used. In this, when they were using IC, what it was being used, that is why what happened? It became fast. Then afterwards cheaper also we were using, and then small also, the size was also becoming small and small. Yes or no? And less electricity also it was consuming. So that's why. And then afterwards they were making this. The mistakes were very becoming low in this. That's why they used IC in this in the year 1965, 1975. And then afterwards, the fourth generation, that is 1975 up to now, the present. Okay, up to now in this present.
2019.
They were using microprocessor. What they used now? Microprocessor. Microprocessor. What they use in this microprocessor. In the first year, what they even have been using vacuum tube, then afterwards transistor, then they use in third generation IC, that is integrated circuit, then afterwards microprocessor. Microprocessor, it consists of small silicon chip. It was consist of small silicon chip.